guys, welcome back to my channel Mermaid Bidisha. সকলকে জানাই শুভ নববর্ষের প্রীতি ও শুভেচ্ছা. The whole idea behind today's video is that it's Bengali New Year and I wanted to dress up, of course, and try some new products. And that's the reason why I call this Poila BOISHAKH NEWNESS. Some of the products you will see I've already talked about on my channel. Like for example, the skincare products are of course from Estee Lauder, and also the foundation that I use today, of course, from Estee Lauder. My favorite double wear foundation. But other products that you'll get to see in my video are new to me. Not that they are new in the market, but I have tried them very late. Don't know why. Being a product junkie, being a makeup junkie, I should have used them before. আমি চেয়েছিলাম আজকের ভিডিওটা বাংলায় হোক, but at the same time I wanted everyone to see the steps that I'm gonna explain. আজকের জন্য বাংলাটা ঠিক হলো না, but আমি in future আরো বাংলা ভিডিও বানাবো. এই নয় যে জাস্ট এই মাসেই আমি বাংলা ভিডিও করছি, আমার চ্যানেলে আপনারা অনেক বাংলা ভিডিও দেখতে পাবেন. So let's get started with the tutorial now. I hope you all enjoy this video. Time to get started. Firstly, I'm going to start off with Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Plus Moisturizing Cream. I love the texture of this cream, like I always say. And then I'm going to take the eye cream from Estee Lauder once again. Love the bouncy texture of it. So yeah, it's very hydrating for my eye area. And then of course, the iconic Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, followed by Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer. I love this concealer from the drugstore, followed by this brow pencil from Dollar Store. Can you believe it? Next, I'm going to use this Revolution the Emily Edit the Needs palette. This is pretty much it. This palette is everything for today's makeup look. I'm going to use the bronzer called Courage, followed by the shade Honesty. I love the names of this palette, by the way. That's the reason I was so excited to use it. On my brow bone, I'm using Kindness. On my cheeks, I'm using Joy. And highlighter is Gratitude. And also in the inner corner, I use the shade Love. Then I'm going to use my kohl liner, followed by mascara from Essence, the fake mascara. I love the name and I love that it adds volume and length, followed by Estee Lauder Sumptuous Rebel mascara, and lastly Chamber lipstick in Pink Devil. I forgot to use this for a while. And yeah, this is my Poila BOISHAKH Newness. I hope you all like it. Bye.